Hello guys, XXX Shadow XXX for 3000 here and welcome to FaceClan. And today I'm going to showcase you a very special basta item. Oh god. Ouch. Electric guitar. It doesn't have any strings yet, but yes. You can call me CPC, Kurt Cobain, Radiohead, Nirvana, Chester, Linkin Park, Tom York, Alex Turner, Arctic Monkeys, Incubus, Guns N' Roses, Slipknot, Korn, I wish you were here. So Cookie Run Kingdom. Cookie Run Kingdom is a very good game about cookies that rules a kingdom and you fight cookies till you win a kingdom. Please subscribe and like and pro and invest in the Safety Kids Foundation for the kids. Oh no! Wait. Thanks so much for watching. Invest in the Kids Foundation. Peace. XXX Shadow XXX 3000 signing up. FaceClan ban soon.